but it's going to sit right in there, right behind the cab, which the cab, and it's probably hard to tell because they're so small. There's ports. Welcome back to the workbench where we try to make things. We're continuing to try to make today is Revell's Ford FD-100 pickup, the Foose design kit they put out a while back. And we're doing quite a bit different. And if you'd like to get caught up on those differences, check the description down below. There's a link there for you to a playlist. You can get completely caught up to where we are right now. And where we are right now is finishing up the paint. And I made progress. So I want to show you guys. And I'm going to kind of rush through this pretty quick because I'm getting a late start filming today. I had a sick little girl this morning, and I want to, but I still want to get this update out there for you. And I want Thomas to know that we're moving ahead with this. So I'm probably gonna have to rush through this a little bit. So I don't know. I guess keep up. Anyways, I did get the sides done, and hopefully, but you can see I just have base coat right now. I don't have a clear coat on there yet. But you can see, I mean, the area, so here and here, here and here are 100% better. I am completely happy. It makes me very happy that now all that is nice and smooth. I did also, if you didn't notice, or you probably did notice, but I just want to point out, I did get the bumper glued in place. First of all, I got the bodywork finished on it, so it's nice and smoothed out, looks pretty good, and got it in place. I do not have the filler panel in yet. I got to do that. In fact, just before I started filming, I finished gluing this in place. So I just haven't quite done that yet. I'll get that filler panel in, and then I'll be able to clear everything, and then I think it's going to really look nice. But yeah, anyways, there's what that's going to look like with the bumper in place. Of course, it'll be without this gap that you can see in here. But that's what the bumper is going to look like on the back. I think it's going to look really nice, I think. But I also kept moving forward because, like we said yesterday, we're trying to keep moving forward with the things in the bed because we're kind of taking a couple steps back with the paint on the chassis unit here. So I wanted to keep moving forward with what's in the bed. So I've pretty well finalized or finished up the little speaker box or the subwoofer box that's going right in the back here. It's everything except for the little clear acrylic panel. So it's gonna be a clear acrylic panel that goes here and here. And of course, we also have beauty panels, which these are the unpainted beauty panels because we still got to figure out the color of the interior exactly. I mean, I want to do leather. I just got to find the right paint for that. But there's going to be the beauty panels that go on like that. So we're going to have, you probably can't see it, but when I modeled this and 3D printed it, I left a notch, a 1 mil notch all the way around here. You can say like a dado all the way around here. And so I have 1 mil clear acrylic that's going to go right in there. On top, it's going to sit flush. So what we'll have is a beauty panel. This is as a reminder. I know a lot of you guys have probably already seen this, but if you're new to the channel, we're going to have a beauty panel that goes here. It's going to look leather wrapped. And then we're going to actually have a panel that sits on top that's going to top off the entire bed. So that's going to sit on top of this acrylic panel. And this is kind of what you're going to see. In fact, if we put it in here, we can take a look. I'll have to build out the floor of the bed, which is going to be gloss black this side, body color this side. And it'll be a piece of floor here that'll come up and then over the notch down and back that way. And then this will sit on that floor panel, the floor, of course, but it's going to sit right in there, right behind the cab, which the cab, and it's probably hard to tell because they're so small. There's ports. You probably can't see them, but you can probably see these two ports. There's a port here, and a port here. This is what's making our 6-door bandpass. If it was a real thing, those ports are going to pass through into the cab. So when we build our beauty panel on the back of our interior, the ports will be coming through there into the cab. So that's why the box is sitting where it's sitting and how it is. But yeah, this beauty panel will actually be in here, so you'll kind of get an idea how this is gonna look. I can get that sit in there like so, and then we're gonna have this panel that sits on top, which I think we decided, if I remember right, we want to actually paint body color. This panel that's going to sit on top. Everything in here. So I don't have, we've got interior panels that are going to go in here. Just as a reminder, the interior panels will go here. They're going to be like leather wrapped. This is going to be leather wrapped. And I had originally thought about making this look leather wrapped, but it kind of got to be a little too much. Because the idea really is the interior is going to all be leather wrapped also. So the seats, the door cards, that beauty panel in the back, and then it's going to be encapsulated by this body color, right? You're going to have the hood and the A and B pillar, all this stuff will be body color, kind of and then I don't know if you can see in here, but the tops of the doors here will be body color. So you'll have that body color kind of surrounding or encapsulating the leather wrapped stuff. So that's why I think it'll look cool to have this piece body color. And then now you have, all inside there is going to be leather wrapped, and you'll be encapsulating it with body color. And I'm still trying to decide, because in the cab, it's going to be black carpet on the floor. I don't know if we want a black carpet. Let me know what you think. What would you think would look better? Just do the floor like a gloss black like we did the inside of the box here. I guess I didn't mention, you can see we got our 2 batteries in too. I'm assuming you probably noticed that. We got an Optima battery on each side in the chambers that we had built that for. So that's going to be what's powering our system, our air ride system, our stereo system. And then, of course, we have a battery box down here that I might end up, I don't know if I'm going to paint that black. I'll probably leave it body color. We'll have there's a fuel tank that's going to go here, I think. We still have time to decide on that. We might, I mean, it would make sense to put it back here. There's just not much room. We'll have to see how much room we have back here for a fuel tank. But we have the car battery, the battery that's powering the systems of the car, starting the car, that kind of stuff there. And then these are the 2 Optima yellow tops are powering our air ride and our stereo system and all that. Anyways, those are there. But yeah, I need to decide if we want to do the floor of the bed in carpet or if we want to just go gloss black. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I've gone back and forth. So my whole thing was making, and I might go carpet because my whole thinking is making the bed just an extension of the interior of the cab. Like it just keeps going, kind of feeling. Obviously, there's going to be a break here, but that feeling, and that's why you have the leather wrap stuff. So keep the carpet, the black carpet going. That's kind of the way I'm leaning. Let me know what you think. Either way I think would look good. The carpet just might look a little more detail with carpet. You know what I mean? Like just give an extra illusion of detail to the build, meaning to the scale build, if we flock it to make it look like carpet. But then, then our air ride stuff, because all our air ride setup sits right in this area here, and it'll just be sitting on the carpet, and that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, I don't know. I'm also thinking about adding lights. No, I'm always adding something. So adding tail lights and headlights. I haven't decided if I want to do that. The problem with doing that is you got to find somewhere to put a battery pack, and we are going to have a tough time finding somewhere to put a battery pack. So I'm going to look into what's kind of out there to be able to do that with. If we could power it off some small watch size batteries. If there's something out there like that we could do it with, maybe I will. It's going to be all about where can I put a battery pack. If you know of anything like that has a very small battery pack that, that can be used, let me know also that in the comment section. But yeah, anyways, what I got to do now, I'm just going to add this filler panel here. Obviously, I'll paint it, glue it in, and then I'm going to clear this. So this is ready to clear. It is absolutely. It's if even this body line came back in that I was working that body line back in, looks good. I think it looks really good. I think it's gonna look really good. Yeah, I think it's gonna look really good with once it's cleared. So anyways, but I gotta get that panel in. So I need to do that. So leave me those comments down in the comments section. I want to hear from you. I want to, know what you think about the whole carpet and everything. Just let me know what you think down in the comment section. I really love reading your comments. Hit the like button if you want to keep up this. Hit the subscribe button if you Yeah, just it's free. Hit the subscribe button. I don't know. Hit the like it. Do all those things everybody tells you to do on YouTube. I got to get this in clear. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.